Okay, so we've got the Pendlay row, which is also commonly known as the bent over row, but slightly different. We prefer the Pendlay row just because it forces you to be in that fully hinged position with your back parallel to the floor, which means you're getting a horizontal row as it's meant to be. So set up in the Romanian deadlift position at the bottom. So what we're going to do is start with the bar on the floor, and you can see his chest and armpits are directly above the bar. He's got a very flat back parallel to the floor. Essentially, we should be able to rest a coffee cup on his back and it wouldn't move throughout the entire movement. He's going to set his rhomboids, set his lats, get nice and tight, pull his ears away from his shoulders, or his shoulders away from his ears, whatever way you want to look at it. And we're going to pull the bar directly up into his sternum, using the posterior back muscles to pull the bar into the sternum. So you can see his elbows are tracked against his rib cage, keeping him nice and tight, making sure they don't flare. You can see the bar is traveling straight up and down, which is opposing gravity, how it's meant to be. And we pull the bar up into our sternum and back down. Major common faults we see with this are people driving their knees too far forward and having the bar too far away from their midline. So we need to make sure we keep that bar directly below our body, and we need to make sure we keep our back flat so we are opposing gravity, which goes up and down.